Fetra boxcars feature top-quality workmanship and high versatility. Due to their low resistance and trackless TPE tyres with ball bearings and the standard central brake system, TOTALSTOP, they do not require much effort and can be handled securely. Total load capacity of 750 kilograms is significantly above the usual 500 kilograms. The panels, consisting of particularly narrow wire mesh, ensure the highest degree of stability. The shelves, made of innovative sandwich board, are extremely stiff, with veneer on all sides, and have a particularly high capacity of 90 kilograms per shelf. The modern vertical-looking rod with turning lever and cylinder lock can be operated ergonomically and without risk of injury. Fetra boxcars are also available with aluminium or steel panel cladding.